Quick video, the test I was doing yesterday where I was testing my new 7-inch cells compared to the 4-inch cells that I have there. I was using purified, RO purified water in those cells and tap water in those cells, so those measurements were not accurate whatsoever.
This is Stan's Revenge.
And we are now going to be working on, I'm going to get a HHO torch, and hooking this up as a flame, I want to be able to capture the pure water that is being produced off this. So this is essentially going to be a catalytic dome, or more like a catalytic tube, where the flame will be inside of this tube and the water droplets will collect and drip out. I would like to know what kind of energy versus water purification we can make on this thing. So maybe make a water purification unit with energy as a byproduct to offset the cost of said water purification, and just use it strictly as a water purification device. Even though it's not over Unity or whatever, like, people need clean water there, obviously. But if we can have a system that actually gives you energy as a byproduct to offset that, either for cooking or heating or producing steam to power another generator of some sort, a Stirling engine, perhaps, being able to utilize all the energy from this device as you're making pure water. So yeah, just wanted to get this moving, I guess I should say. So I decided to take a little time today and give these tubes a test. I'm going to continue to condition those, and we'll see kind of what happens next time around. I'm going to maybe make some logs here, log some data. We will see you guys on the next semi-exciting episode of Stan's Revenge.
This is Stan's Revenge.